Hey, what's up everybody? This is Zaya from CarNewba Detailing, and I'm hoping you guys are all having a wonderful day just like always. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing this massive unboxing courtesy of the Rag Company, so shout out to the Rag Company for sending me these two massive boxes of products, tools, and microfiber towels out to my location. If you haven't already, make sure to check out my Instagram page and also my Facebook page. I'll put my name both in the video and also in the description below, because I put out a lot of content on there. And if you haven't figured out already, I did become a TRC Grand Ambassador for the Rag Company for the first quarter of 2019. And what that means for you guys is awesome videos like this where I get to do unboxing, product reviews, and also wink wink nudge nudge, some awesome giveaways in the near future. But you got to make sure you follow me on Instagram, hopefully like my Facebook page, and also remember to subscribe to this channel because all my content will be put out on those platforms. Now thank you so much for watching the intro, and let's jump straight into the unboxing. Alright guys, so I'm just going to basically go over this live with you. I also got a live stream going on as well on my Instagram, so remember to check that out like I stated prior. But let's jump straight into unboxing these things, okay? So if you guys don't know anything about the Rag Company in general, they've been around for a little over 20 years. Actually, I believe it was their 20-year anniversary just a little bit ago. And they just make some really quality, professionally oriented tools, products, and things like that, specifically focusing obviously on microfiber towels, hence the Rag Company, right? I've been using their towels for a very, very long time. I'd say actually my first couple packs of towels were from the Rag Company, so it's kind of difficult to start off when it comes to, like, you start with a very quality tool or product or something and go anywhere else, you know? So I've always been sticking with the Rag Company towels. Their 720 blend with 4020 GSM, I believe it's called the Spectrum, is one of my main go-to towels. Also their Eagle Edgeless is a great one as well. But let's see what we got going on in this box right now, okay? Opening it up. Alright, so what do you know? We got a bunch of towels, alright? And it's a lot of towels, okay? So what do we got over here? This is, let's see if it says the exact towel this one is. I don't believe it does. Let's see. Yeah, so it doesn't exactly say what towels we got going on here, so I'm going to look further in detail when it comes to exact towels in future videos. And then I'll give you the specs of all the towels and things like that as well, alright? And we got more towels. And more towels.
5 minutes later.
And more towels as well. And these are all different types of towels, and also different types of colors, I believe. Yep, but we'll put those to the side, and I'll go into further detail when it comes to towels, guys. Quality-wise, also their usability in certain areas when it comes to detailing, whether it be exterior or interior, and then we can take that video from there as well. But let's move on to the next box, okay? Now, the Rag Company also works along with Optimum Technologies and a couple other manufacturers. So even though the Rag Company does specialize in towels and things like that and microfiber, they do have great relationships with some of the most advanced manufacturers when it comes to detailing technology in the industry, all right? Specifically, Optimum Technologies. Obviously I use Optimum No Rinse pretty much all the time. It's one of my favorite go-to products, especially as a quick detailer. So they just have a plethora of tools and things like that in order to make you a better detailer overall. Alright guys, and at the end of the day, you guys know me. It's not because I'm any way affiliated with the Rag Company. Obviously I am right now for the first quarter of 2019, but I'm completely honest and truthful with you guys, as you saw from my previous video. When I know a quality manufacturer, a quality company with also amazing content, guys, if you haven't checked out their podcasts or any of their YouTube videos, make sure to check them out as well. They're way better than my videos, so I don't even know what you're doing here right now. But they just make some awesome stuff, guys. And I'm going to be completely honest with all the towels that we got going on over here, any other products and things like that in the other box. So just please keep that in mind. I do try to give an unbiased opinion on everything that I use, because at the end of the day, if something is not good, I'm not going to use it on my own services. And if I'm not using it on my own services, I'm not going to recommend it to you guys at the end of the day. So you guys know that for me, pretty much from my previous videos and also my Instagram and stuff like that. So what else do we got going on over here? Alright, looks like we got a bucket. I believe it looks like a 5-gallon bucket over here, and we got some more. This looks like the Eagle Edgeless towels over here, with also a mix and a couple of detailing brushes. I have heard some great things about these little detailing brushes the Rad Company has going on, so I'm going to make sure to do some videos on that as well. Let me just put that to the side too. And in the bucket, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, all right guys, so the next thing we got going on is PNS Pearl Auto Shampoo Concentrate. Now if you guys don't know anything about PNS, they've been around for a while, but they've just kind of emerged from the darkness. I don't know if you want to call it like that, but they're a US-based company, and the most popular product nowadays right now from PNS is their bead maker. I've heard nothing but great things, always wanted to try it out, and what a coincidence, we do have a bottle of bead maker right over here. So a review coming soon on this. I've heard nothing but great things when it comes to this product over here. Durability and longevity wise is not its main focus. Its main focus at the end of the day is giving you some awesome gloss and shine, and also amazing water beating properties, okay? So future videos with those coming along the way. And everything else in the bucket, we also got your standard, oh, if I can pull it out. Oh, it's stuck in there.
Moves are weak, babe, okay? Yeah, your moves are weak.
I'm weak, sorry about that, but I'll put that to the side. We also got your kind of standard grit guard at the bottom over there. I use it all the time. I have a black one on my other buckets, but obviously color makes no difference. Besides that, guys, it looks like I got a little Rad Company t-shirt right over here. Awesome, I'll put that to the side as well. And we also have, let's see, their gold kit for enthusiasts, and these, it lists out kind of the towels and products you got going on. And here we got the Twistress Black Loop Drying Towel, Everest 550, Pluffle, Eagle Edgeless, like I said before, a great towel. Another microfiber wash mitt, premium glass towels, edgeless towels, and just a plethora of more towels and awesome products such as that in this package right over here. And then let's see what else we got. We got an IK foamer, awesome, yeah, this stuff is great. Foamers, obviously, if you guys watch some of my previous videos, I don't really exactly do a full foam cannon wash on a vehicle. It wastes a lot of solution, a lot of water, and it's just for a mobile detailer, it's not very convenient on my end, and it delivers minimal beneficial results at the end of the day when it comes to the actual detailing your end results. Not saying that you shouldn't use it, you can use it, but for me and my services, I don't really utilize a foam cannon from a pressure washer very often. But what I do use, and if you guys have watched my previous videos, I do use foam trigger sprayers when it comes to wheel cleaners and things like that. So this right over here, if you haven't seen it already, it's an air pumped kind of foam sprayer that you can utilize in smaller areas such as wheels and wheel wells, and it works great if you don't want to break your hands and your forearms pumping a spray bottle 24/7, all right? So it makes life a lot easier, very convenient, very easy to use, gives you great foaming action, and it's more than enough volume in the actual sprayer itself in order to complete a couple wheels here and there and wheel wells. So future videos on this coming along as well. And the last thing we got, last but not least, it looks like we got probably going to be a Rad Company banner. All right, guys, there it is, all right? So thank you so much for watching the video. The people that are on the live stream right now, thank you if you have been watching for keeping up with the video. More content to come along soon. And obviously, guys, I got more than enough towels over here. I don't even know what to do with all this stuff. So there's going to be future giveaways, guys, on my Instagram and on my YouTube. So haven't seen my Instagram, make sure to check it out and follow. If you haven't seen my YouTube channel, link is in the bio usually most of the time. Make sure to go like my videos and subscribe as well, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Always, if you have any questions, remember to put them in the description, in the comment section below. Leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe, all right?